Today, we will discuss all the useful plugin scripts and extension which can be used to enhance your video editing workflow and can save hours while working on a project. So without wasting any second, let's reveal the first extension, which is Atom X. Atom X is a pack of templates and tools designed for Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro, commonly used by motion designers and video editors. It acts as an extension that helps users quickly access and apply pre-made motion graphics, templates, transitions, effects, and other creative assets like lower thirds, social media call to action buttons, and much more. So to use this plugin, I will open this pack in Premiere Pro, and let's say I want to use a transition between these two cuts. So I will apply this transition, and just like that, our transition is ready with sound effects. Honestly, I use this most of the time while editing the videos because organizing and previewing the After Effects templates could be a hectic task to do. And the best part about this is we can preview the items without importing them in After Effects, which saves a lot of time. And the next one, which is similar to Atom X, is the almighty Motion Bro. It acts as a plugin or preset manager, giving access to pre-made animations, transitions, text effects, and more. Many video editors use Motion Bro to speed up their workflow by applying complex effects with just a few clicks, rather than creating them from scratch. It offers packs for different visual styles, such as glitch effects, smooth transitions, typography animations. Sound design is really important to make your videos stand out from the cheap editors, and we know how much hard it is to manage sound effects while editing. Sometimes we forget where we had put that specific sound effects on our system and become so lazy to get that perfect sound effect, but not anymore. Because by using this simple and free extension called Premiere Composer, you can locate all the sound effects and listen it in real time without going into File Explorer every single time. So to do this, install the Premiere Composer from Mr. Horse official website. And what you have to do is create a folder called Sound Effects. And in this folder, you will put every sound effect by its type, like woozes, hits, risers, metal hits, scratches, etc. Now open the Premiere Composer from the extensions, and Dock is somewhere, and click on this 3 button and to add a folder. Now what you have to do is go to the exact location where you have stored all of your sound effects, and then select it. And under User Library, you will get all of your sound effects stored ready to use in Premiere Pro. You can also search the sound effect by its name and use it in your timeline, which is very fast and convenient. And now you can see all the sound effects are fully organized, and the best part is you can listen them without any issues. So we have solved this problem, but what about all the transitions which you have downloaded by commenting the word on Instagram?
Want this? Drop Give Me Daddy in the comments. I'll send you the full step-by-step guide straight to your DMs.
Well, for those, AE Viewer is a plugin that acts as a media browser and manager, making it easier to preview and import assets. It allows you to quickly browse through presets, templates, stock footage, project files, and other media without having to open them in separate windows. Easily drag and drop assets directly into your project. Speeds up the process of finding and using assets, making your workflow more efficient. It's popular among video editors and motion designers because it saves time when working with large libraries of assets. Moving forward to the most spammed plugin in the history of editing era, which is Deep Glow. Deep Glow is one of the most used plugins in After Effects, but time is going to change because plugin Everything has released Deep Glow 2, with everything slightly better than Deep Glow, so I think this doesn't need any explanation. The next one is a camera plugin created by plugin Everything called HandyCam. To use this, make all the layers 3D by clicking on the cube icon. Now create a null object and drop the HandyCam plugin on top of it, and click on Setup, and within a second you will get a camera and a controller. And if you go to the effects and control, then here you can see a lot of controls like position, rotation, wiggle, and depth of field. But what I love the most about this plugin is its look at the target property. Let's suppose I want to change the camera position to any other layer. Then all I have to do is select the layer which I want to aim at, and just like that, it's now in the center of the composition. You can also choose the focus layer using this plugin. Basically what it does is automatically adjust focal distance for the layer which you want to aim at, so that you don't have to add any keyframes during camera animation. You can also use dolly zoom or adjust the focal length of the camera using this property. And if you want to create some wiggle, then open this wiggle property and play with these numbers until you get a soft wiggle. This also has some utility feature duplicating the camera rig link, any new camera. But the best feature is its bake expression, because if you want to share who doesn't have this plugin, then you can bake the keyframes into expression expressions, making it accessible for everyone, and they can use this project without using this plugin. If you think the After Effects camera is really hard, then you should try this once in your life. It will completely change your mind. Now the next, and my personal favorite script, is Reach Script, which is a third-party tool designed to enhance and speed up your workflow by offering a variety of productivity features. It typically includes functionalities like quick access to expressions and presets. You can easily access your favorite preset and effects using this button and apply it on your layer. But now you might be thinking this can be done using FX Console. What's new in this? But the new thing is this, that you can apply effects on multiple layers at once, which FX Console cannot do. I use Reach Script to center the anchor point, align the footages in center of my composition, or apply easing to the keyframes. And I like this because I can do it without opening multiple scripts. But things are not stopping here. You can pre-comp or un-pre-comp multiple layers using a button, which is such a time saver while animating text in After Effects using Dynamic Link. You can also access your favorite scripts by clicking on this button and open it by here in on-click instead of scrolling from the Window tab. This also has some utilities like creating array system, which are harder to explain in just one video, so check out for more details on the internet. Our next script is all-time favorite for AMV editors, which is called Flow. Flow is a plugin used to create and customize motion curves easily. It gives you more control over the easing of keyframes, making animations smoother and more dynamic. Flow provides a visual graph editor with intuitive controls, allowing you to apply custom easing presets or create your own curves without constantly switching between the timeline and the graph editor. Next one is MGFX. This is a free script to manage your cluttered files in After Effects project panels. To use it, just open the script and start hitting buttons from top to bottom, and your project will become neat and clean. And all the files will be stored in specific folders depending on its file type, which is such a lifesaver script to organize the files. I wish I had this tool in my real life to clean up my room. Our next plugin is Twixster, a popular third-party plugin used for time remapping and slow motion effects. It allows you to create smooth, slow motion or fast motion footage by interpolating frames. Twixster analyzes the motion in the video and generates intermediate frames, resulting in fluid and natural-looking slow motion effects, even from regular frame rate footage. It's widely used by video editors and VFX artists to achieve high-quality slow motion without needing high frame rate recordings. Our next extension is AutoCut. AutoCut is like having a supercharged editing assistant that never gets tired. It uses AI to automatically cut out awkward pauses, remove filler words, and keep only the sharp, engaging parts of your video. No more scrubbing through endless footage. It handles the tedious stuff, so you can focus on the creative magic. Plus, with features like automatic scene detection, smart trimming, and even AI-generated captions, AutoCut makes your workflow faster and smoother. It's a game changer for editors who want to save time without sacrificing quality. AutoCut gives free 14 days free trial, so make sure to check it out on its official website. Our next plugin, which is created by the god of After Effects, which is Elements 3D. After Effects now supports 3D models in latest versions of After Effects, but there are very limited controls in terms to animating them, and Elements 3D is still far superior if it comes to create stunning visuals using 3D objects. You can create awesome title sequences, corporate ads, and much more by using this plugin. If you want a dedicated tutorials on Elements 3D, then let me know in the comments below. There are also some plugins from Video Copilot like FX Console, which everyone knows, so if you are a beginner, then make sure to check them out. And if you want to edit short-form videos like a pro, then watch this video. It will blow your mind.